What's going on, man? This is Clautor here with Clautor Entertainment. I'm here to give you guys some of my awesome frickin' tips and advice on how to get some frickin' really good thumbnails and how to extract things out of pictures very well with 3D paint. There's no frickin' crap that you gotta learn 300 days in advance. It's very simple, cut, dry. Let's get right to it, okay? Now, what I wanted to do here is I wanted to get this picture here. Bam. I wanted to put a tiger in this picture here. Why not, right? I love tigers. I have a tattoo of a tiger. I wanted to put a tiger right there. So how are we going to do that? Okay, I went online and I found a picture of this tiger right here. The reason why I chose this tiger, the contrast. You want it to be a little different. You see how I picked it so it's really close just to show you how effective this tool is. All right, so what I want to do is I want to put this tiger into this picture right here. That's what I want to do. I want to put the tiger in there. All right, so first thing I got to do is I got to get the tiger out of here. Okay, I'm going to right click and I'm going to, you can come up right here, edit with 3D paint, or you can open your 3D paint and go to open here, browse files. You make sure you're in your desktop where you want to search, man. You should know your way around your rig of your computer by now. Work it all out. Okay, so now we got this freaking awesome tiger, and I love tigers, and if you don't, you're lying. Simple as that. So anyways, I'm gonna go to my canvas here. Okay, now this is okay. This is so simplistic. Okay, first thing you want to do is go to canvas, turn your transparency on. Boom, okay. Now you're gonna come up here, magic select, and you're gonna put this box, just like it shows here. You're gonna put this box as close to the subject as you want and as you can, okay? Now you're gonna hit next, simply hit next. Okay, now it's gonna give you an outline of what it's gonna grab, okay? What's inside, what's in color is what it's gonna grab, it's that simple. Okay, now you see there's a bunch of parts missing. Oh my God, what do I do? This is what you do. What you do is you just give up and you quit and you don't make any more YouTube videos. Just kidding. So what you do is you start inside the picture and you go around the picture like you would the ear. See that? I've got a little bit of that. You start inside the picture. You just want a little bit of that, okay? And let's say you don't like it, just hit Control Z. It'll take that away. See that? See, okay, I like that one. So we're missing a huge section in through here. Look at that. Let's light that up. Boom! Oh my God! Maybe I know what I'm doing. I don't know. I haven't checked yet. So this tiger looks like to me that he just got out of a bath. Little tiger guy got out of his bath. So what I'm doing, see how I'm doing? I'm just coming in here. So this is where he's wet. Okay, the tiger just got a little wet today. He just got a little wet. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. So I'm gonna back. Okay, I don't like that. I'm just gonna go straight across right there. No, still don't like it. Okay. You see what I'm doing here? See how, you gotta make it look real. Okay, we got issues in the tail. Now, here's a great example. Start inside. See how I went right through it and just grab that tail. Oh my God. Beautiful. I don't like that one. Okay, so now I think I have the outline of the tiger that I want. Okay, I'm gonna simply hit remove. Hit done. And give it a second. It's gonna, oh my God, I'm gonna pop out of there. Okay, now move it to the side. Get that thing out of there. Okay? We're gonna come over here, grab this, delete. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Grab the tiger, bring the tiger in here, and just make sure, see, it looks like we got a little spot. No, that we got a little opening we need there. Okay, there's gonna be minor things. You gotta do something. So how do we take care of that? Boom, go to brushes, go to eraser. Brushes, eraser. Put the thickness down to, I would say 3, and see where you're at, okay? Okay, see where you're at. Looks like 3 is a good number. And then we just had just a little tiny bit, I think, in here. Just a little tiny bit that I wanna take out. Okay, there we go. So now, look at how easy that was. We got us a tiger. Now we're gonna go to the menu, save as, image, has to be PNG. PNG must be PNG, save, okay? Now we're gonna save desktop, let's save it as 12, okay? Okay, now we're gonna exit out of this. Okay, I don't wanna save, okay. Let's look around for 12, here's 12, way up there. Okay, now we're done. See, you always wanna keep your original pictures, I would recommend. Now this here, we're just gonna right click, we're gonna edit with 3D Paint. Or you can open it up, 3D Paint any way you want, you know. I don't know. Now what I like to do is just move this over. I minimize it and I'm just gonna drag and drop this in here. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna maximize it. Now I'm gonna make sure that this tiger looks like it's, you know, a freaking size of a freaking tiger. Let's make it, you know. Okay, so it looks like it's a little off here. Let's get him on. Okay, and I want him to blend in my shadow too. So I want him to make it look like there's a shadow there, okay. Dude, that is so cool. Oh my gosh. So then you're gonna go to the menu and you're gonna go to save as, image. Let's just call that 13. We're gonna call it 13. There you have it. There's your image with your tiger. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please stand by for future other videos that I'm gonna come out with that are gonna completely be badass. So I appreciate your time. Please subscribe if you want to. I don't have to tell you that. Okay, I love you very much, man. And I hope this helps you. Take it easy. Bye.